A bold proposition. Drug testing in focus. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, or NDLEA, has put forth a proposal that's got everyone talking. Mandatory drug testing. Not just for anyone, though. They're eyeing Youth Corps members and couples planning to tie the knot. It's a bold move aiming to tackle drug use head-on, but like any major policy shift, it's stirring up a mix of reactions. The NDLEA's proposal comes as part of a larger effort to address drug abuse in Nigeria. The agency argues that early detection and intervention are crucial to curbing the problem. This proposal is meant to catch potential issues early on, before they escalate. However, critics are raising concerns about privacy, potential discrimination, and the effectiveness of such measures. The debate is just heating up. Will this proposal become law? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure though, it's sparking crucial conversations about drug use, prevention, and the role of government in addressing this complex issue. The NDLEA isn't proposing this out of the blue. They're deeply concerned about drug abuse in Nigeria, particularly among young people. Brig Gen Mohammed Buba Marwa, the NDLEA's chairman, has been vocal about these worries. He's cited alarming statistics, painting a stark picture of the situation. According to Marwa, a staggering 1 in 7 Nigerians aged 15 to 64 use drugs. That's a significant portion of the population grappling with substance abuse. These numbers highlight the urgent need for action. The NDLEA views mandatory drug testing as a critical step towards tackling this problem. They believe that identifying drug use early on, especially among young adults and those about to start families, can lead to timely interventions. The goal is to provide support and treatment, helping individuals break free from drug dependence and lead healthier lives. However, critics argue that this approach might be too heavy-handed, potentially stigmatizing individuals and discouraging them from seeking help. As with any major policy change, the NDLEA's proposal has garnered both support and opposition. Proponents of the initiative see it as a necessary step to combat drug abuse, particularly among young people. They argue that early detection through testing can pave the way for timely interventions, potentially saving lives and strengthening families. Moreover, supporters believe that the proposal sends a strong message about the country's commitment to tackling drug abuse. They view it as a deterrent, potentially discouraging drug use among those who might be considering it. However, critics express serious concerns. They argue that mandatory drug testing raises significant privacy violations. They question the effectiveness of such measures, suggesting that they might not accurately reflect actual drug use and could lead to false positives and unfair consequences. Section 4. The NYSC's role, a key player in implementation. The National Youth Service Corps, a program that deploys Nigerian graduates to different parts of the country for a year of national service, finds itself at the center of this proposal. The NDLEA sees the NYSC as a key partner in implementing mandatory drug testing. With a large and diverse pool of young adults participating in the program annually, the NYSC presents a strategic avenue to reach a significant portion of the target population. However, the NYSC's involvement has sparked further debate. Some see it as a logical extension of the NYSC's mandate, aligning with its focus on youth development and national well-being. They argue that incorporating drug testing into the NYSC program could provide valuable insights into drug prevalence among young Nigerians, aiding in the development of targeted interventions. On the other hand, critics express concerns about the logistical challenges and potential strain on resources that such a large-scale testing program could impose on the NYSC. They question whether the NYSC, already tasked with managing a vast network of Corps members, is adequately equipped to handle the complexities of drug testing and the subsequent support systems required for individuals who test positive. Section 5. Charting the course. What lies ahead? The NDLEA's proposal for mandatory drug testing has ignited a nationwide conversation, prompting a closer look at drug abuse in Nigeria and the strategies to address it. While the proposal's potential benefits in curbing drug use and facilitating early intervention are undeniable, concerns about privacy, potential discrimination, and logistical challenges remain. As the debate continues, it remains to be seen what course of action the Nigerian government will take. Will they move forward with implementing mandatory drug testing, or will they explore alternative approaches to address the concerns raised? The coming months will be crucial in shaping the future of drug policy in Nigeria, with potential implications for millions of young people and couples across the nation. The outcome of this debate will likely set a precedent not just for drug policy, but also for how Nigeria navigates complex social issues that require a delicate balance between individual rights and collective well-being. The world will be watching closely as Nigeria grapples with these challenging questions, seeking a path forward that prioritizes both public health and individual freedoms.